At its heart, a fishmonger apprenticeship is basically a paid job. It's got structured training built in. A fishmonger apprentice will earn a wage. They're taught practical skills like fish preparation, filleting, food safety, stock handling and customer service, alongside industry-recognised training that builds knowledge and confidence over time for the apprentice and the employer. The industry is under real pressure right now from skill shortages and an ageing workforce. Apprenticeships can offer a sustainable way to bring new people in through structured training whilst passing on the traditional skills and experience of the employer. It also ensures businesses aren't constantly struggling to recruit experienced staff. You know, when you're bringing new people in, you're training them up to be fishmongers anyway. So why not take advantage of government-funded apprenticeship training? It's not a one-size-fits-all. It's speaking to the training providers that are currently delivering this training and saying, how will this fit into my business? Apprenticeships are designed to be flexible and realistic for small businesses as well as large. Training providers support with paperwork and assessments, meaning employers can focus on running their shop without being overwhelmed by things like admin. We always say apprenticeships are a low-risk, long-term investment. Support is built into the system. You're an expert at what you do, which is fishmongery. The training providers are experts in fishmongery apprenticeships. The fishmonger apprenticeship, you'll learn a range of skills that you may not learn in that particular fishmonger. So they can bring those skills into the fishmonger workplace and maybe add value to what you're already doing, bringing those ideas that maybe somebody hasn't thought of before. Apprentices can support businesses, fishmongers across the whole operation, serving customers at the counter, preparing fish in the shop, or in the larger manufacturers on the production line, managing stock, maintaining food safety standards. And as they progress through the apprenticeship, they can take on more responsibility and grow into senior or specialist roles. Large employers typically fund apprenticeships through the apprenticeship levy, while smaller businesses usually receive significant government support that covers most of the training costs. The fishmonger apprenticeship is one of the best funded level 2 apprenticeships at £13,000, and for non-levy payers it's 95% funded by the government. They're definitely not just for school leavers, no, they really are for everyone. FDQ last year, I think it was, we passed a 70-year-old butcher on one of the apprenticeships. So it really goes to show the scope for personal development. Apprenticeships work just as well for existing staff who want to upskill, gain a formal qualification or move into more senior roles. They're also ideal for career changes. Apprenticeships allow businesses to grow their own talent, build skills from the ground up with training that's tailored to their needs. We can put you in touch with approved training providers who will be able to explain how they deliver the training and support you when you're your apprentice. There isn't a silly question. No questions are wrong, and we're happy to answer them.